Oh yeah, got them cooking. Yeah, there we go. That's what I want them to do. Put the lid back on. Alright, I've got some chili starter, which is seasoned, crushed, and diced tomatoes. I'm going to go ahead and add those. Look at that. It's almost like a paste. There, got my lid in there too. Should always get the lid in. There we go. I'll get all that out of there in a little while. Then I got 2 cans of the chili with no beans. I'm going to go ahead and add those. Now we'll be getting a spoon and getting everything out of the can as I go. I can't use both hands when I'm holding the camera, so I'll be coming back and getting a spoon and emptying those out. And I got me a jar of medium salsa. I'm going to add that whole jar. I always save these jars and reuse them for other things. Like when I have leftovers, I can just fill this jar full of leftovers, put it in the fridge, and then take it to work with me the next day and have it at work. It's good stuff. And now I'm going to put in the big can of chili. This is the Vieta All Natural Chili with Beans. This is a 1 pound can. 1 pound, 14 ounces. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that. That's good stuff. Alright, just throw that on in there. I'm definitely going to have to use a spoon with this one. Alright, had to use a spoon to get all that out, but look at that. Doesn't that look good? Yeah, that looks good. Alright, now I'm going to take my giant spoon. I'm just going to mix all this up and mix it together. This is going to be good. Sometimes I'll make like ground beef and cook that up and put it in the chili. But today I'm using hot dogs because I just feel like it. And I'm going to let this sit in here and I'm going to let it simmer for a good long time. Maybe steam out a little bit of the water that I had in there when I cooked the hot dogs. Kind of let it thicken up a little bit. Alright, I'm turning the heat up just a pinch. Putting the lid on. I'm just going to let it sit. I'm going to leave the lid kind of on the edge over there so that it will let the steam come out. I'm going to let it sit for a while and kind of cook out some of the moisture. Stir it occasionally, rubbing the rubber spoon on the bottom of the pan because you don't want this to stick on the bottom. You don't want it to burn or scald or anything like that. You just want it to be hot enough to kind of steam out some of the water, and then just slowly let it thicken up. While I was letting this simmer, I went ahead and washed a few bowls and got out the grater and some cheese because you gotta have some cheese. Just gotta have some cheese. Cheddar cheese. Look down in there. Man, this smells good. Can't wait to get it in the bowl. Alright, now it's time to scoop it up and put it in a bowl. It's a soupy chili. It's not real thick, it's a soup. But once you put the crackers in it and the cheese on top, and then go get your chips with it, yeah, it's going to be really good. And it's flavorful, it smells so good. Wonderful. Now, doesn't that look good? We've got the grated cheese, cheddar cheese. We've got the round crackers and saltine crackers. And we're going to end up with a good meal here. Real good meal. Cheddar cheese. I don't know how much to put on each one, but I'm just going to throw it in there, and it's going to melt, and it's going to become a really good part of the chili. Really good part of the chili. I dropped one. There we go. That stuff's just going to melt and just get all down in there. Yeah, it's going to be good. I think the chili's cooled down enough for us to do a taste test. And standing right next to me, I have got a professional, well-known YouTube creator who really loves to cook, and she is going to try my chili. And she's going to tell me what she thinks. Here we go. Of course, she had to get a saltine cracker and dip in it because she said it looked like...
I need a chip.
Well, the chips are over in the other room. You may go get your chips.
Oh, this is good.
Okay.
Very good. It's tasty.
I can't wait to dig in. It's hot, so be careful.
Look at that goodness.
Oh yeah, I love it when the cheese melts in there like that. That's why I love the real stuff, the real good cheese.
Ooh, there's a hot dog.
Yeah, be careful, it's hot. We think?
Very good.
All right, wonderful. Wonderful. Well, guess what we're going to do? We're going to go get those chips, and we're going to dig in, and we're going to enjoy some chili. Some homemade chili. Say it again.
And the movie.
I had to stop the video real quick before she said that. We're going to have chili and a movie.
Chili and a movie.
With some chips.